You are listening to affirmations that will assist you in your journey toward quitting sugar. Each affirmation will be spoken twice. I will leave room for you to repeat them, either out loud or silently in your mind. Imagine that all of these powerful affirmations are true for you right now. I wish you vibrant joy and wellness as you free yourself from your attachment to sugar. Relax, take a deep breath, and let's get started. I am in control of my body, mind, and spirit. I am in control of my body, mind, and spirit. I am the master of my thoughts. I am the master of my thoughts. I reclaim my power and control over my life and my body. I reclaim my power and control over my life and my body. I have conviction to live my life without the lure of sugar. I have conviction to live my life without the lure of sugar. I am free from sugar cravings. I am free from sugar cravings. I respect my body at all times. I respect my body at all times. I take care of my body. I take care of my body. I don't need sugar to be happy. I don't need sugar to be happy. I easily deal with whatever comes into my life. I easily deal with whatever comes into my life. I have the power to turn down sugar. I have the power to turn down sugar. I am transforming my life into a positive, healthier one. I am transforming my life into a positive, healthier one. I let go of sugar cravings. I let go of sugar cravings. I am aware of how powerful my mind is. I am aware of how powerful my mind is. I resist the urge to eat sugary foods. I resist the urge to eat sugary foods. I can politely refuse sugary foods when they are offered to me. I can politely refuse sugary foods when they are offered to me.
I can politely refuse sugary foods when they are offered to me. I know the power of the human mind. I know the power of the human heart. Hello, computer. Welcome in. I know the power of the computer as well. Maybe I do. I don't know. I don't know for sure. I don't know for sure. I don't know anything for sure, but I think I know that. I do think I know that. Welcome in. Happy Tuesday. Welcome. Wait, the music, it's going. This is unacceptable. Intolerable. Hello. Welcome in. Hi. Hello. Well, it's good to see you once more, computer. Once more into the breach. Well, it's not into. Is it once more unto the breach? Is that it? Why am I hearing myself? What's this? What's all this? I have to go to. I have it on monitor. It's monitor. Monitor off, please. Thank you. Into the breach, the video game. Yes, this is it. This is it exactly. Okay, who's here? Who do they have on here? Today is a special occasion, computer. You might, I mean, some people are newer here. I think we honestly have quite a lot of people who have arrived recently. People might not be aware of the changing of the seasons, the seasonal chronology of LLLL. This is quite notable, right? The seasonal chronology. We progress in seasons. It is currently season 2.Z, also known as, quote, the forward, unquote. And today's the end of season 2.Z, the forward. And soon begins LLLL season next. Today's a little bit of a finale. We'll see how it goes, though. We'll see how it fares. Okay, who's here? Who is in attendance today? Welcome in to the notorious group known only as Pre-Gang. Welcome in Jen Dude. Welcome in Kierem __. Welcome in Taimisi. Welcome in Mudane. Welcome in F Collector. Hello. Welcome in Alient 2. Welcome in Big Gay Mikey. Welcome in Kalinoscopy. Welcome in FN _Lumi. Welcome in. Wait, can I do this too? Does that go? Welcome in Julio Ye for the first time. Thank you for Wawa. Thank you for Wawa. Welcome in. You might not actually be here for the first. Why is it saying? Wait, it's. I don't know. I don't know what the hell Twitch says to us on these things. Hello, Kalinoscopy. Welcome Zoft _Faye. Welcome in Whimsically Made. Welcome in Live Silly Die Goose. I know you from Prodzy Pod. I know you from Prodzy Pod area. From the other day. From yesterday. That's great. Huh? Hello, welcome in Venerock Robotic Form. Welcome in Sky is Fine. Welcome in Crazy Kitty. Welcome in Jack Dose. Crazy Kitty numbers form. Excuse me. We haven't seen Crazy Kitty 357 in forever. Did they decommission this one? Is it only Crazy Kitty numbers form now? Has this how it's been for like a year? And I don't know. Hello, Machka 6 Witscord the Game 2025. Hello, Free Full. Hello, Kotaru Complex. Hello, Blue Flame GG. Hello, Lumi Statics, great to see you. Hello, Basie, welcome in. Hello, Woot, good morning. Welcome in Steeled Shield. Welcome in Niche Penguin, thank you for the resub. Hello, Faye is sleepy. Hello, Must _Broke _. Hello, Mold _Entity, welcome in. Can we shout out Moldy also? Can we get it going early? Hello, MX Alex, welcome. Hello, Wish 46, welcome in. Hello, Emails Shadden, welcome in also. Hello, who we gotta go. Tuesday. Hello, Destiny Waits, indeed. Hello, welcome. Hello, Crazy Wizard Crazy _Wizard _Real, welcome in. Like the game, yeah, like that. Yeah, it's a gaming reference. Hello, Nulligore, welcome. Hello, Infernoid, welcome in. Hello, Zully 3, hello. Who else do they got? Who else do they got on here? Dieter from Sprockets. They put Dieter from Sprockets in here. Welcome in. Hello, Al Daniels, 100. Hello, Doc East. Welcome in. Hello, Lotus Kuchian. Welcome, Wawa. Hello, Violet Marmalade. Welcome. Hello, Control Master. They have Control Master here. What is this? Hello. Welcome in. Hello, and I think it's everyone. It's actually your resub. Yeah, I think it is in this case. I was looking at my email the other day, and it was facing me with the grim reality. It's actually I don't know. That's kind of a reality that I like. I think I've gifted like 40 people 6-month subs to my own channel. But hey, you gotta pay the price. You gotta pay the price to stop advertising. I will pay the price. I'll pay any price. I'll pay a price in blood, sweat, and tears. I think I might have to. I don't know. Hello. Okay, we have to. Can we move? Can we move? Let's slip into something more comfortable, please. Let's go elsewhere. The viewers that are. I don't make this distinction. We don't do it. It's all the same crew. It's the same. Is that how it works? I mean, I guess so. Maybe. Hello, Prowlcar Zed. Also, welcome in. It's great to have you. Let's retire to the lounge. Yes. Let's see if this works. Or does this show my real face? Is it a real face day? One of these days, it's gonna be a real face day, and it's gonna be shocking to me and to you. I don't know. It's not going to be intentional. Like, I guarantee one of these times, because it's a capture card, and because the capture card is a camera input to OBS, one of these times I'm gonna have the cameras plugged in wrong after doing some experimentation. And it's going to be full screen, high definition, stretched 16:9 aspect ratio of my real face and head. Welcome. Hello, Bitomancer. This is sick. Thank you. I'm glad you think so. Welcome in, Bitomancer, though. Good to have you, friend. Whichever still, I do get worried sometimes they're going to think I'm doing some kind of fraud. But I don't know. I mean, I'm not. What I'm doing is it may be silly, but stream with a mask of someone else's face. Yeah, I don't know. Letters will just be generated by your brain. Yeah, you have to pretend. If I ever leak anything, we've already made that promise together, computer. You have to. If I leak like my real face and name and address and zip code and stuff, you have to pretend not to see it. It's only polite. You have to be like, nope. What was that? Sorry, I didn't quite make that out. Credit card number, yeah, things like this. What are things people leak on here? I don't know. I don't know very much about that. Anyway. Today, I hope you had a good weekend, first and foremost. We did get up to some activities. I feel like it's been a busy time for all of us lately. Things have been going on every single day of the week, lately, at least. Blood type? Yeah. Don't they do that? That's like a thing. That's an anime trope, right? There's like personality evaluation based on blood type, kind of like horoscopes or MBTI. Live C4 shock. Is this true? Is this real? Wait a second. Live Silly Die Goose streaming? Wait, and it's Medusa? Wait, it's Gorgon? They got Gorgon on this? They put Gorgon on this. That's actually insane. Shout out to Live Silly Die Goose. They got Gorgon on this. Gorgon Freeman. That's powerful. I like that people can be things on here. That's pretty good. Hello, Trap_exit, and the 0x539 ping was delayed. Alas, we'll hope that's people. People will trickle in. This is how it goes. It tends to. Welcome in though. Yeah, we had the weekend. We had Spacing Sunday. We all got together on Discord and we watched David Lynch's Dune extended fan cut. We watched the extended fan cut, which was really funny because all of the extensions were like ultra low VHS quality. Megalopolis. I've heard of this, right? This is the one. It's about a guy who wants to build a city. And he gets. I read the Wikipedia page of this, and the thing I thought was really funny about Megalopolis was that the material. We forgot to turn off user Chrome. We have user Chrome today, computer. They got user Chrome on this. Which is the one? Which is the one on this? Megalopolis film. I think it's really funny that they discover the origin of it is they discover a material called megalon. I thought that was a really funny thing to call the material. That it's called megalon. Is that strange? Like I think this is very amusing. Like, they could have called it anything else. It would have been better if they didn't call it anything. If they just gave it no name, probably. But instead, it's Megalon, which makes the whole thing seem like it's the Transformers or something like this. I don't know. This I don't know. It's unobtainium. Yeah. Big alloy. Yeah. Something like this. Megalon. Hello, Netplay1. Welcome in. And also, who else? Masaca's here. They got Masaca on this. Welcome in. Hello. Yeah, we have a taskbar too. I mean, we can disable that. How do I disable? I guess I have to go to the other. I have to go other. One moment. I'll briefly go other screen. We'll toggle to the other screen. I can go. Hello, 37LN37. Welcome in. Thank you for instruction, global setting, page setup, paper type, custom, paper type, length unit, pixels, length unit, custom size, 800, 600, custom size, is portrait, false, is portrait, margin, 60, 60, 40, 40, margins, use CMYK color table, false, use CMYK color table, page setup, global style, ID equals, quote, quote, name equals, unknown, padding unit equals inches, page slot spacing equals 0, 0. Colors is use BG color equals false, is use border equals false, border radius equals 0. Thank you. Perfect, thank you. Welcome in Cbit 128. Welcome in. Also Stale Donuts. Stale Donut Camel Case. Welcome in. This is great to see. This is great to see. We love this. We love this. It's wonderful. Welcome. Can we do the rebuild? I have to type rebuild Victoria on the other machine, on the different computer. Welcome in. You were listening to that. Alas, we have many sounds on this, and the thing is, I can't even see who's. Oh no, I can now. It's Crazy Wizard Real. I have to look at the other screen. I have to look at the actual screen, not the false screen. Hello, Exor Xavier. Welcome in. Okay, so what is today actually? While I rebuild this and type my password 4 times because I accidentally broke Pam SSH agent authentication forwarding or whatever. That is the thing that allows me to type the password 0 times instead of 4 times when I do the next rebuild. Hello, XWidget1 also. It's 2025. I'm 25. It's over. I took the Doom pill. I would encourage. Okay. We are. Hello, Cbit128. We are not too different, you and I, right? It's 2025. I am 27. I am 27. I think there is no need for Doom. I would say. I think honestly, we're just getting started, right? And also, what do you say? I don't know. It's hard to offer words of encouragement with no context, but I think in my life when I felt doom and gloom, I've always turned it like it's always turned around. I felt many times that it is fucking over. Like I have for real. I have felt that it's fucking over for me, and it's never been true. It's always been I don't know, a delusion. A delusion I had about it, right? I think this is the case, right? So I think it's we just got to keep on going. We got to keep on rolling here, Cbit128. Who's gonna keep it rolling if not you and me? I don't know who is. We got to do it. Hello, Eudemoniac as well. Welcome in. Hello, computer friend. Welcome. Hello. Hi. I don't know why I'm talking like this. A new, simpler ending has been created, modeled on an earlier draft script. I see. Is this funny? Is this amusing? You should always survive your enemies. I don't know if you need enemies at all. I think it's better to have friends. I think it's better to have friends, to be honest with you, right? It doesn't have to be like Shakespeare or something, right? You can have just like, you can just be hanging out. You can kind of just be like hanging out and having a good time about it. Thank you. Hello. Wait, this is soy milk emoticon. This is quite powerful. This is quite powerful. My enemy is my insane. Well, anyway. What about frenemies? I mean, I think rivalry is pretty good. I consider all of you rivals. That's sort of my relationship with computer. I would say broadly, right? This is a rivalry. This is like a Pokemon. It's like rival in Pokemon, but it's not like the rival in the early games where it's an asshole. It's like rival in like the late one where you're all like mostly friends, but you're pushing each other to improve, right? This is the feeling. We would make us Marvel rivals, something like this. Hello, Attention Span and Mookie Sticks. Thank you for. I actually can respond in kind now, Mookie Sticks. Someone gave me a gift sub. I can say this. I think we also have do we have pellets here? No, do we? I don't know if we do. Hello, Control O and 1990X. Welcome in. Okay. So what's been going on? We watched Dune 2. We watched Dune 2 in the Discord. You know how we do it. We watched the whatever this guy's name is, Dune 2, the movie with the sand in it. We did that one. It was quite good. Hello, Camp Belly Hamster as well. And we also Dune 2 Lynch's Revenge, something like this. Thank you for Soob, live die goose silly. Goose die silly live. Goose Die Silly Live, maybe. And I have been working like a dog all day. Hello, Body Without Blorgans as well. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're not working like a dog all day. This is, oh no, this is, we watched Normal Dune. We watched David Lynch's Dune in honor of the man. In honor of the passing. This was the thing. It was spacing. It was spacing Sunday, like the spacing rip, yes. Like Goosier, something like this. Something like this. I have been working like a freak. Because as you may have observed, computer, as you may have observed, today is the 21st of January. Today it marks the 21st of January. Greymouth, John Dune, yes. This is the one. Hello, Greymouth. It's the 21st of January. What that means is that in 1 week, 7 days, it is the 28th of January. My birthday? Wait, it's your birthday today, Steel Shield? Happy birthday. It's also LG's birthday, if the messages are true. Happy birthday to you both. I feel like we have many shared birthdays around here. I mean, I guess this is like literally they call this, what do they call this? The birthday paradox. They call it birthday something. What do they call that? This is an application of the pigeonhole principle or something. It's birthday paradox. They call it birthday problem. It's not really a paradox in any way. They do it this way. But happy birthday, Steel Shield. Hello, Mog. It's both Steel Shield's and LG's birthday, allegedly. Yes.
You got both power.
Huge accolades to you. I hope your aging process is treating you kindly. I hope for real though. Hello, Cremelian. Welcome in. Cremelian _ excuse me. Welcome in. Sup. I'm doing well. We're kind of hanging out on here so far. We're going to be getting into things. What's on the 28th? The 28th is a notable date. The 28th is multiple things. It is the anniversary of me streaming on Twitch. The second anniversary. This marks 2. This marks 2 years of streaming on Twitch. It is also the anniversary of me getting Twitch partner last year. It is also... We are on the front page of Twitch the whole time. So this is they call this triplicate. It's also the start of LLLL season next. The next season will be called LLLL S3. This will be the next season of LLLL. We are on the front page on the 28th. Yes. Hello, Alpin Albench also.
Twitch
CEO. So this marks every excuse me. This marks every event. You have stuff ready.
Oh my gosh, you have no water.
I have no water. Would you mind grabbing me some water? Thank you. Thank you. I forgot to get it. It was things were so discombobulated this. I was all over the place. I forgot to get it. Hello, Octo Rinsky. Welcome in. Good to see you, friend. Good to see you. So this is major event. This is major event. I have had things planned. I have been working like a freak. We need a bucket emoji. Do we do Homestuck kind of? I don't know. Yeah, it's massive news, Prowlcar Z. This will be kind of it'll be a big thing. I'm hoping that I can pull it off. I have had big plans for this event on the 28th. We can actually just, is this in the future already? This is already an old future. This is already old future 10. The future? The 28th of January is huge. It's huge. What's the big thing? 1 week from today, TV Josh. It's my 2-year anniversary on Twitch. It's my 1-year anniversary of funny Twitch partner thing. And we are also on the Twitch front page. It's also my birthday and it's Christmas. And it's Christmas at the same time. And it's Mod's birthday. So it all really comes together. It's all here at the same time. It's not my, it's actually, it's Other's birthday. But it'll be big. I have been cooking hard, trying to get shit done for this time. Thank you for 110 street control load. This is highly notable. This is highly notable, friend. I appreciate you.
That's crazy.
Severely. I cannot even say how much I appreciate this, friend. Thank you.
Hi.
Hello, we're here. Yeah. So this is hello. What's up? Hi.
No, they can't hear me when I
You're
talk
good.
like
It's
that.
impressive. That is an inference that could be drawn That is an inference that could be drawn, in fact, that it is impressive. I think it is impressive too.
I agree.
Yeah. Okay, you're taking a nap?
Nap time.
Okay, cool.
Bye.
I have clothes all over the bed. I put clothing all over the bed. I will join to celebrate with you. Okay, excellent. I appreciate this, Greymouth. So the plan has been to build something big. I have been doing this. I have been working like a dog, as mentioned. I don't know how hard dogs work, but I've been working however hard that is. Working dogs work hard. Canine units, like cop dogs. I don't know. The cattle dogs, sheepdogs. Sheepdogs, the fourth like language. This is a different thing. This is not the fourth like language. This is a I don't know. I really don't know if I'm going to get it all done. Would you guys say that learning C++ is easier than Java? No. I would not even do my usual thing and be like, well, it depends. Well, it depends, and everything can be. No. C++ is kind of. There's a lot there. I do not know C++. I have written a lot of C++. I do not know C++. I think I would. Anyone who, like, quote unquote knows C++, I mean, this is an impressive skill to have, right? This is people tend to learn subsets of C++ and obtain the ability to perform actions, right? Which is fair, right? This is what you have to do. C would be the easiest. I don't know about this. I think there are things that are simpler, but I think C is like I don't know, certainly much less than C++. Is like Erlang. I don't know. I think ranking things by hardness is sort of. I don't think there's a total order on these things. I think hardness also is very subjective, but just in terms of like especially the comparison between Java and C++ is relatively simple in the sense that like Java is basically simpler. Like it's I don't think this is no. I don't think this is. You should not think of it like this. Programming languages are not merit badges. They're tools, right? Maybe you are a more experienced carpenter because you know how to use the bandsaw or something. But this is like not the right. The thing what makes you a skilled carpenter is making good furniture, right? It's not being an expert in every brand of bandsaw, right? The thing you got to focus on is making the damn furniture, right? This is the thing. I might be cooked. I think you're gonna be totally fine, Dieter from Sprockets, right? I think all you got to do is maybe, I don't know how much time you have between your classes, but if you have a little bit of time, try and make something little in C++. Make a little game or something, right? Not a big game. You can make a little game. Make Tetris, right? Make a text adventure. Make something little. Just get a little bit comfortable. See things a little bit, and then you'll be leagues ahead of other people, right? You'll be so far ahead it won't even matter anymore. You'll be so set. I'm an IKEA computer. JavaScript merit badge. See things a little bit. Yeah. C++ reference dot is one of the best language reference sites around. What are you looking for? I read a thing a few years ago. It was before there was a good like modern C++.
Thank you so much for the resub. Unfortunately, we don't have your name.
Thank you for the resub. Angry_made. Welcome to record. Can we find this?
We're supposed to record your Okay, we're gonna do that.
Can we uncover this guy?
Get recorded.
Thank
you for the sub, also, by the way.
Thank you. I think we're being told to record the name. A little Majod _ and also Kiram __. Oh, is it learnmodernc++.com? Or is this like blog posts? I think this is like, there was one I saw that was like, it was damn good. It was like it was good. Is it this one? No? I don't know. I'll find it at some point. Sweet baby Ray lives. So true. This may actually be what we are doing today still, though. We might have to be going a little bit sweet baby Ray lives on it. Learn to code in assembly. This is also, you can do this, and it's not as hard as you think it is. In general, there is very little that is hard in computers. What are you building right now? Okay, we're building a couple of things right now, Larry Earnboy. We have a couple of irons in the fire. Our main irons, sounds are still a bit loud. Yeah, I probably turned them up for the thing, and now, yeah, let's turn it way down. Let's keep them down. We don't need them loud today. It can be a quiet day. Thank you for the lurk, Angry Maid. We have a couple irons in the fire. Our main irons, as they were, are a browser game, a browser dungeon crawler game called Oubliette of General. And the main cool thing you can do in Oubliette of General is this. The main cool thing you can do is this. And then the other project is writing Game Boy Advance homebrew from scratch. So we wrote an assembler and like half of a compiler that we live inside of in Lisp, and we use that to spit out Game Boy Advance ROMs. And those that currently looks. Why do we have this blocked? That currently looks like this. That currently looks like this. Magfest, baby, so true. Does Oob have a character creator yet? No, not yet. The Oob is lacking many features on account of my own my own lack of investment. My own lack of investment in the thing. Well, no, it's not in my lack of investment. It's my I need to muster my will. I'm sure you know the feeling. I'm sure you know how it goes when something has stretched itself long, and you know that there are things to do to finish, but there are a lot of things that you don't know quite how to do yet, and you just need to take it over the finish. This is hard, right? This is a hard thing to do. I don't mean to complain, but yeah, Q means 9 in Japanese. Something like we can maybe do this. We should do this for sure. Cool stuff. Thank you. And what we are doing today in particular, I think, to the GBA, no, this is probably impossible. I mean, it probably actually is possible to do there, but it would be a total rewrite to do. It would not be a port. I would have to do it in a totally different way, and to get the 3D effects to work well, it would be hell. I would have to. I mean, I guess I could, like, there are like software renderers that people run on the GBA that like run kind of well, right? I'm being. What is this? What is this pinging? I'm being pinged. I hear ping sounds now. What is this? Who made this thing? Since when do I have ping sounds? Huh? This is interesting. Hello LG, thank you for the 17 months of tier. Thank you for this and birthday. Happy birthday, LG. It's Steel Shield's birthday too. We have double birthday today. Thank you for Waldorf. Is this Statler? Is this Statler or is this Waldorf? Congrats on 52 years old. Okay. So what is today? What is today then? Well, today is an exploration of a certain feeling. That's the if you're asking Larry Earnboy, what are we doing today? Today we're exploring a feeling. We're exploring our own feelings and our emotions. The feeling that we're exploring, hello watchmakering. The feeling that we're exploring is craving and desperate clawing. I'm familiar with this feeling. This is one honestly, it sounds like a negative feeling when you say it in a certain way, and I'm sure it can be. But it's a feeling I think that I don't know, I'm fond of. I'm sure you're familiar as well with the thing that comes at an end of a project. Artwork looks similar to Delver. Looks good. Thank you. Yeah, the artwork in the video game is you get your local LLM stuff that you were messing with last night. I was messing with local AI stuff. I'm trying to do facial recognition better. We gotta figure it out though. Hello, Cash Money Delas also.
No, it's Boxing Day.
Delas. That's what I've been saying. Well, anyway, and you who hello. So say I want to use standard vector, but I haven't used one before. When I read C++ reference, it shows me a wall for its constructor. I don't really know how they want me to initialize something like trying to get that Google Onyx. Well, okay. So what I was trying to do. Okay, can we spoil a little bit what I've been trying to do for the anniversary? We gotta spoil it. First of all, it's re-debut, right? It's re-debut first and foremost. Your BPM that's actually your heart rate, Larry Earnboy. That's your heart. The people who do women online, who do the women thing, right? Women online love pretending to be anime characters, and they love changing what anime character that they are currently pretending to being, right? This is frequent. This is a frequent event. They love this. They love going on there, and they love changing what character that they are being. Speaking absolutes, of course. We are doing that. We are changing what character we're being entirely. And in fact, what we are doing here is it's not a new model. It's just well, I won't even say just. It's new renderer. there will be a totally new model renderer on the 28th, 1 week from today, next stream. I hope, and I am doing my best to ensure, no, it will still be ASCII. It will, in fact, look exactly the same. I will boot up the stream, and it will look exactly like this, I hope. Down to the pixel. Who has no imagination. I think, honestly, this is a good choice. I think this is probably better, honestly, YukiVT. Can we shout out YukiVT? Yes. Ideally, all features will be present. This one I am confident that I will get done. I am confident that this will be present by 1 week from today. A dynamic array would be used. Yeah, I think trap exit. I'm interpreting the question more so as like there are a lot of things like in C++ just like syntactically that are like hard to know about, right? Like I recall in the past, right? Like there's initializer syntax for things like a vector, right? Like there's operator overloading for like initializing with a initializing a vector type, right? This is a thing, I think. I don't know C++ very well. Have you built it yourself? I did. It's written in Rust and OpenGL. And the new one will be also written in Rust and OpenGL. You can do things to it. You can do things to it that are various forms of strange. So yeah, this is the thing I always get mixed up when I'm doing. Like, there's just so many different ways to do things, right? Yeah, but I think even with standard vector, right? Like, can you say this now with standard vector? And is this like the idiomatic way? I don't know. Maybe I attach too much meaning to this, right? Is like, can you say can you say like this? I know there are things that are kind of like this, right? I know, of course, this is like the normal array initializer syntax, but I think there's like in new C++, there's like overloading of this thing, right? And of course, it doesn't really matter, right? Who cares, right? But this is the sort of thing that, like, I don't know, people want to, you know, I want to know these things, right? I want to know the right way to do it, and I don't like, you know, my weenie coworker is going to make fun of me if I do this and say you know, whatever, say x dot push, right? So like, I don't know, it's like I want to know all the things, right? Regardless of whether that's like a worthwhile endeavor. This is in the docs, yeah. Is this all just on C++? I'm sure it is, right? But it'd be good to have like a high level overview of like everything. And I know this exists because I found a really good tutorial that I cannot find now several years ago. That was like a walkthrough of like everything. It was like assuming you like had familiarity with like old C++. And it was like a walkthrough from all of the stuff from like C++ 11 on that like exists. Like all of the like whatever. Like I always like there's all kinds of, there's like what are they? You have like R value references and like there's tons of shit, right? Like, and I'm sure it's all like relatively simple and understandable in context, but like knowing what to look up is a good useful thing, right? C++ reference is a sick site though. Hello Topiary Hedge, welcome in. Goofy coworker, it's not simple and understandable for me. Yeah, I find that this is like a useful thing often, right? Having guidance as to what questions to ask. Yeah, I'm sure, right? Like I'm sure like we could sit down and like be pretty productive with C++. I have no like inherent umbrage against this. I am like honestly like I kind of like, it seems like kind of fun to do, right? Like there's no, we have no disdain for these things. I suspect it's quite fun actually. And it would be very nostalgic to write some. Hello Raymarch and Nani964, welcome in. So yeah, we're doing new renderer. Hello Timidus, also welcome. It's so good to have you back, Timidus. Welcome in. I'm glad to see you again. And H Fruego, welcome. As long as you eat the fruit and spit the seeds, so to speak. Yeah.
This is time.
Thank you for the sub also, Timidus. And H Ingalls, welcome. Everyone is here. They put everyone here. Thank you. I really appreciate everyone coming by always, computer. I've said it before, I will say, yeah, if you don't need it, you don't use it. Yeah. I think we're totally on the same page. Trap exit. I think it's like I'm all I'm saying is that like I like to have like a bird's eye view of these things as like a thing of documentation. Like and I know it exists. This is real, so this is not even a complaint. It's just that I want to find the information about like all of the stuff right? All of the features, especially new features that I'm unfamiliar with. This is like it's useful to have like the bird's eye view of this kind of thing. Hello, blah, 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 blah. I don't know where I was. Oh, 9964 said, "Wait, you're a C++ dev." I am just a programmer. I am just a. I mean, it's the same. Whatever. You're initializing something that has it. The details do not matter so much. Yeah, we're just programming. I am certainly not very experienced in C++ though. I wrote a lot of C++ when I was young. I did a bunch of game jams with it when I was in high school. I made like a lot of little guys. I made a lot of little guys. And then eventually I just was like, I'm gonna write C instead because I don't know. It just felt easier to me to write C that I understood well. I found myself like even after writing C++, like, you know, I learned C++ first because I don't know. I sort of like, correctly or not, had the opinion that like all of this stuff was yeah, vector is the same. It's the same as vec and rust or what. It's the same deal, right? You have some. It's like, yeah. I don't know. We can. I thought your PHP. Yeah. I mean, again, you don't have to be. You don't have to spec into a language like it's a character class. You should just learn all kinds of stuff, right? This is the thing. You'll have fun doing this. Yeah. In Java, this is array list, right? This is the vector. It's just they call it array list, right? And they call it array list because Java does the thing where list means it has this particular API, right? It's like a, you know, linear. It's a sequence of things. You can iterate over them, right? This kind of thing, right? And then array is like what implements it, right? So in the same way that you can implement kind of a similar interface with different performance characteristics with a linked list or something. Hello, Kinski Unplugged. Also, good afternoon. It was fun. Yeah, it is. I had a lot of fun, honestly. I did one of the Advent of Code days in like quote unquote modern Java. I was like, okay, I'll get recent Java. I'll use the features or whatever. I'll try and like it was fine. You know, it's like I have no. Yeah, they violated const in the standard lib. I don't know. I feel like I see quite a lot of Java stuff summaries if you look for specific releases. Cool. Yeah, I think this is like part of what I'm looking for. Yeah, this is kind of good. This probably gets me most of the way there. Thank you. Is going. Yeah. Yeah. Who knows? Like you can. Yeah. I feel like maybe this is just my take. I've said it so many times. I feel like a broken record sometimes. But my take is like, if you're a programmer, you should be able to do what is necessary, right? So if you're a programmer working for yourself, right, you should be like comfortable learning new things that you need to learn, right? And if you're a programmer working for a company, you should be comfortable learning new things that the company needs you to learn, right? To learn what needs to be done to get the job done, right? This is the skill, right? This is what being a programmer means, right? To me at least, right? And it doesn't matter how ugly it is, it doesn't matter how gross it is, it doesn't matter how much people on Twitter are mad about it. It doesn't matter anything, right? What matters, like, you just got to get the job. You have to, right? I'm not like this, right? I'm a weird little opinionated freak half the time, right? But I have the strong impression that this is what it means to be a professional, right? Being a professional means putting aside like, oh, this is, you know, I have to write Java 8. I have to write, you know, they have this weird platform. I have to write, you know, like you have to put aside this kind of squeamishness, right? And just like, it just means yeah. I mean, well, there's professional and there's professional. I don't know. I'm using it in the sense of like, I don't know. You're like, of course, being a professional, yeah, fine, right? But I think there's a sense in which like I'm using it in the sense of like something maybe I aspire to, right? Professional is maybe the wrong word because I certainly don't want to get a fucking job, but like, you know what I mean, right? This is like something I would like to live up to. A pro gamer, you know, like an epic, like I should have said epic. I should have said it, you know, it's like being epic. It's like being epic, I think. Anyway, this is the plan. There's also another thing that I don't know if I'm gonna get done. And the thing that's complicating all of this is if we look at the calendar, like this would be like, oh, you have a whole week, Colonq. You can do anything in a week. You can do fucking anything in a week. The problem is tomorrow we're driving all day, and then we're staying in a hotel, and then we're at convention hotel here, 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 and then we're driving back here, and then today is then this is the 28th. It's this day. It's this day. So in fact, the amount of work I will be getting done will be limited based on, yeah, I don't know. Sometimes I'm super productive at these things. Sometimes I'm not, but we'll see how it goes. Bring a rolling desk. I mean, realistically, maybe I'll probably spend 75% of the time in my room programming. So like, it'll work out. I think it'll probably work out. You're going to MAG? Yes, we are going to this. We're going to MAGFest in Washington D.C. if anyone's going to be there. Oh my god, it's music and gaming or something like. How do you decide if you need to learn use a certain piece of technology? Like if I decide I need to build a project, how do you pick the right? I mean, honestly, most of the time, I just like, again, I'm not a like most of the time this choice will be made for you. This is not a if you're working on something for yourself, you should pick what seems interesting and what you have an intuition will work for you, right? But it also doesn't matter that much. If you're working for a company, you should just do what the other people at the company are doing and are comfortable with. You should accommodate others if this is necessary, right? Hello, Villivan Chateau. Well, you've been here, but hello. I'm sorry I didn't say hi. And Nerd the Ninja. Just use, yeah, you, and like if you're doing stuff for yourself, use like what you're like again, it's just what you're comfortable with or what seems fun. Most of the things that people like that are like technology choices that people make just don't matter very much. Like there are things that do matter, right? But like a large number of things do not matter very, very much at all. It just is not very important. And anything will do, and largely this is influenced by social factors. The actual advantages that one thing has over another thing are often extremely cloudy. They are submerged in the fog. Wait, did we die? Huh? What the hell? The hell? Why am I? Did we die? Death? Death? Be that guy on your own time. Death? Death? Oh, I think I understand what the cause of the death is. We died. Did you die? Minor death? You're not even watching the stream, so. No, the stream died. There was minor death. Is it? I've been having an issue. I think not on this computer or on the computer that's running OBS. On my other computer, I think the motherboard is. I think the network controller is the network card is dying. It's been exploding, but it fixes. If I okay, we gotta go around. Gotta go around back here. Gotta swing around back. Hello? Hello? Are we alive now? Are we alive? Okay, we're alive, I think. I think maybe we've arrived potentially. Hello? Half F? Just the minor style. Hello, we're back. We're here. We're here once more. Open API returned an error. Investigate this. Yeah, true. True. So yeah, this is the plan, I guess. I'm gonna continue working like a freak. I will probably get the model stuff done. We'll see how it goes. I think it's gonna be sick nonetheless. And partially related to this is what I would like to explore today. Okay. So as you may be aware, we have worked on this guy. Hello, Radical Robinson, also still alive. Yeah, we're back now, I think. We've worked on Oob a little bit. You know, this browser game. I made some personal projects for my resume. It's easier to learn. There's a lot of help available. Maybe they ask why I chose this, and I couldn't. You should just tell them just because. Tell them because you want to get a job. This is the thing, right? And if like, I don't know. I think like there's a strong degree of like humor is really strong. Humor and honesty are both extremely overpowered in the real life metagame, Larry Earnboy, right? Like, you can go an extremely long way if, like, just by being, like, nice. Being, like, nice and, like willing to, like, joke around with people a little bit. This is invaluable in the workplace, I think. And in, like, it also reveals people very quickly. If you just answer honestly, right? If you're like, hey man, like, if they're like, so what made you choose this? What trade-offs did you consider? And I'm like, and you're like, hey man, I mean, it was a personal project, and I kind of just like wanted to learn something that had a lot of resources available, and so it's sort of arbitrary, but you know, it's I'm trying to get hired. I'm doing personal projects and stuff that seems popular to try and get hired. And if they take umbrage to that, like that kind of honesty, if they're like, if that's not good enough, right? Because ultimately, like, that's the truth, right? So like being upset with that, right? That's the truth, and also it's totally reasonable. So like being upset with that is like an instant reveal of like, maybe wait, is this guy, like, right? Like if someone got upset with me for saying something like that, I'd be like, what the huh? Like, are you gonna be a jerk about it, right? Like, that's the truth, right? That's the thing, right? So and in general, it's better to work for people who will you know, hear the truth, even if the truth is unglamorous, than you know, it like who want you to say a lie. Because at the end of the day, like, who the fuck is making like intense technical trade-offs at that level? Like I mean, first of all, there aren't really, right? Almost any trade-off you can say is like kind of fake, right? At that level of granularity, right? It's at the level of like why did you pick, what is Mern stack, right? What is Mern stack even? What is I know is this, I assume this is can we see what is, I don't know the latest and greatest Mern stack. It's I don't know. I'm not going to say that. It's MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js, right? It is what it is. Hello, Dehi maybe from Finland, right? Like, asking someone why they chose MongoDB, Express, React, Node.js instead of like I don't know what's another option, right? Instead of Postgres, Django, Python, Angular, like, right? Like it doesn't matter that much, right? These things LAMP, right? This is and these like it's at a different level of like this stuff. Of course, these things have, you know, some degree of, they're going to shape the way, like, especially I guess the database choice maybe matters a little bit, but like, why? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all, right? So like the answer necessarily can't be anything other than like there's no list of like detailed technical trade-offs that you can write that are true about this, right? Bash stack, yeah, this is our friend. Shout out to Bad Cop. The using certain brands of drillers, yeah, or something like this, right? Like, the thing that's interesting is that like you made a thing. It's not that, yeah. So I don't know if this is maybe a bit of a like, I think in general, like, you should, it's almost always best to just be honest and, you know, at most a little bit cool, you know, a little bit embarrassed, right? Be like, yeah, you know, I just did it for fun. Why though? I think this is the same. Not like, I think there's no reason to feel this strong. The thing is, at the end of the day, anything will do. Okay. What is our actual motivation for today? Desperate craving, the desperate clawing to complete. This is the feeling. You know this feeling, computer? I'm sure many of you have been to school, right? You've been to school once or twice, right? You know that feeling before an exam, before a big assignment is due, and it's time for the work to be done. It's time for the work to be done, and there's too much work and there's not enough time, and it's time to really focus up. It's time to really shape up, and that part of you unlocks where it's time to just like it's a desperation play. A 40-page essay due in 9 hours. Yeah, a 250-word essay due in 1 week. An occasional audio loop is a bug, quirk, or feature. If that's happening, I would refresh the page, Radical Robinson. That is not an intentional feature, although it may fit with the whole thing, I guess. You could not refresh. You could keep it like that and add to the ambiance, I think, right? This sort of desperation play is something I'm very fond of, right? This feeling of the emotion of just frenzied attack, right, on something, right? Just you're like, this is all you can do to get through, right? This is something that is emblematic, I think, of the end of LLLL season 2 forward or something like this. I don't know. Can we shout out Fluffy? Welcome in, Fluffy. Also, if you're new, I should do this more because I have not been doing it enough. You can go Discord IRC if you're new. This is where we talk about these things more. It's very MF Doom, kind of like it. Yeah, it's kind of good. I don't know. Did the alerts die? Did alerts death? I think they did not. Thank you for the resub, Fluffy. Also, we are kind of Fluffy fans around here. Oh wait, we were doing that rebuild. Did the rebuild fix me? The big thing you announced. It's the stream anniversary and my partner anniversary, and also Twitch front page 1 week from today. This is the thing, Zully3. And in service of this, we need to get some stuff done. Notably, one thing I need to get done is I recently rebuilt the engine for Oob. For Oob. Can we go there? When is this? 1 week from today, Fluffy. This is major event for me. This is major event for me. Let's run DRenv and wait. We go for some waiting. It's gross. It's happening to me too. I will say refresh page. Refresh page. This is yes. If you are trapped in hell, if you are trapped in loop hell, you can refresh the page, and this should rectify all issues. If we were to say cargo, like we added a new feature to the engine, and what this feature is we can build natively now. We can do native builds. This is our new concept. In fact, I'm just gonna grab the new. I don't even have the new stuff on this. I'm gonna go push. We're gonna push on the other realm. Can we do that? If I go here, we need to push this. What do we need to get on here? Fix font rendering. Commit. Push. Oh, I have to enter a passcode. I have to enter a key phrase. Hello, welcome. And then on this guy, is this guy even on the web? Do they even have this guy on GitHub? Wait, I had this running all night. I had this running hot 100% CPU core all night. What the hell? Okay. It should work. What's your full key phrase? The word, the unique word that identifies me as a human being. I think that not so fast, Mickey Noon. You seem like a bit of an imposter at the moment. Okay, if we git pull, okay, we have new now. And we can maybe even say nvarc reload. Get the new stuff. Bro's repo is all locked up. It's secured. They call it Fort Knox. What's your activation code? I'm unsure what that means. If we say cargo build, does this go native build style? Let's see if this works, and let's also see if it kills us. Ronald McDonald. The true name reveal at 4,000 subscribers, something like this. This would be. We can do this. We can do real name reveal. We can do real face reveal. We can do. I don't know about this kind of thing. I think it's best to maintain a sort of. Do you ever hear the phrase, computer, distance makes the heart grow fonder? I think this is very true of streaming sometimes. I think there is almost never face reveal. People love doing this. They love revealing their face and things like this. And I know, of course, I can't, people can do whatever they like. I'm sure they have fun doing it. I think it's almost never, it seems ill-advised in general, right? Because like, especially with this sort of thing, right? Lurk, thank you, Grandma. There's sort of a detachment, right? There's sort of a detachment that exists. Yeah, ask him. Mine too, right? Like there's a detachment between a real person and like a personality that you play online, right? And like if I showed my face, right, it's just, then you'll be like, it's just a guy, right? This is just like a normal looking guy, right? Like this is it kind of, you know. And of course, like everyone knows this, right? Everyone knows that probably, you know, this is like, but it changed. Like we saw this with like Dream or whatever, you know. It's people are. What is Talea? Talea is the engine for Oob. It is the thing that actually does all of the graphics and also system dependent parts. It's the engine for some other things that I'm making now too. It's not really a full engine in the sense of like, you know, Godot or whatever, but it handles graphics and input handling for my projects, and it makes them easy to build. Yeah, it's just on my GitHub. It's linked. You can use it if you want to, honestly. You probably don't want to, though, because I change it frequently and without warning. It's not really that much code. You should just write the code yourself if you want it, I guess. It's called this because I think this is Greek for full stop. Hello, Kettle Stew. Also, my immersion will be ruined. Yeah, I mean, think of it, right? It's horrible. The revealing what the Wizard of Oz looks like. Yeah, something like this. I think it's just good to have like a sort of, yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Okay, we're building though. The face reveal kills the illusion of the person, demystifies the character, makes it mundane. Yeah, there has to be this a little bit, right? It sounds kind of crazy to say it myself, right? But there has to be a little bit. There has to be a little bit of magic, right? You need to keep a little bit of like a little bit of like, I don't know, a screen with static and a voice talking over it. Yeah, I think so, right? This is an important thing. Who can say? Okay, we're almost done building. Maybe we'll see if this actually builds. It really should. My day is going to be ruined. Yeah. Everyone's day is ruined. The prestige. Yeah, I don't think it's about this. I think it's more so just about like, I don't know. No one wants to see this, right? This is the thing, right? You gotta keep in mind what. No. Yeah. You gotta keep it in mind. Anyway, we can run this guy natively. Let's see if he actually runs natively. I've been cooking a lot on engine stuff over the weekend. I fixed all of the font rendering. I fixed the font rendering so huge. Okay, can we if we say cargo run?
You got boost power.
I totally forgot it was Tuesday. Welcome in Kirsch and also Wind Up Boy Fade. Hello. Yes, it's been a busy time lately. I almost lost track myself. I thought yesterday was stream day at first, and then I've been all discombobulated. Cargo burr. Okay. Did this actually build what we want to build? It should. If I say cargo build target equals x86 64 unknown Linux GNU. Do I need to say that? Is that the right guy? Hello, Tomato. Also, cargo. What is this Rust? It is that. Okay, we did not build the right target. What is causing us to not build the right target? Is there something that has led to this, or does it just decide to for fun? Either way, we'll leave it there for now. Hello, Tomato. Welcome. The Wind Up Boy. We are preparing. We are exploring the sensation of craving today, and we are preparing for next. We are preparing for next, and we are discussing a little issue that we have encountered inside of SDL2. We have encountered a problem with SDL2, and how we address this problem will be, I don't know yet. I don't know yet how we will address this problem. The problem, while this builds, we can talk about it a little bit. I would like to be able to make programs using this thing that can operate as a transparent overlay on the screen, right? This is a concept you might be familiar with, right? We've built this thing before, right? It's so unenlightened, SMH, something like this. I don't know. We built this thing before though, right? You'll notice we built this thing for the bullet hell mode quite a while back, right? And in the bullet hell mode, we used raylib, and we're calling this init overlay thing. What this is it's a C function from elisp. An init overlay looks like this. right? It looks like this. Hello, Tyler Brown, 2007. I need something to watch while working. I mean, this is one of the intended modes. I appreciate this, Tyler Brown. I hope you have a good day at work. I hope things go well for you, and I hope we can provide chatter. We can provide radio chatter for you. You scammed the doubters. I remember the scam. Was this a scam? We accomplished it, didn't we? We gave up at the last minute and used Raylib. I don't remember. Maybe I did. I don't put it. I am a scammer, right? I'm a natural born scammer. Thank you for Tobes for Evil. Attention span. Welcome in. This is quite good. It's good to see you, tension span. Thank you for 50. So Raylib has flag window transparent. It has a variety of nice flags that we can use, right? We can say undecorated, which I assume makes it so that normal OS window decorations are not placed on the thing, right? Like the top bar, etc. We don't have those anyway, but it's still good to have, right? We have topmost, which keeps the thing on top, and we can say transparent, borderless windowed, and mouse. And this is basically all we want, right? We want a window on top of everything that we can still click through, that is mostly transparent but has some non-transparent elements, right? All is well, right? This is X or Wayland. This is just Raylib, but we're running on X. No Wayland in sight. Because there's no way to do this Emacs stuff with Wayland just yet. We have not gotten around to that one yet. So sure, all is well and good, right? Presumably, this just sets some underlying X11 stuff, right? This tells X11 to do some things, right? And Raylib is just like Raylib basically is like an abstraction layer across platform difference, right? It lets you do the same thing on X and on Wayland and on Windows and on Mac and on your raw console DRM frame buffer a lot of the time, right? And on the Nintendo Wii or whatever. Like, it lets you do all kinds of shit, right? It's a nice abstraction layer over these things. I'm sure that all these flags are not supported on all these platforms, but at least on X it works for us. All good, right? Which is glitching out. Wait, is this happening even for people newly arriving? Oh dear. Is it dying horribly? Is it intense, horrible death? Is this the case? Getting audio repeats? If you refresh, does it do this still? Is it still this on refresh? Everything is fine for you? Try refreshing the stream if it's super broken. If it's like ultra busted, try refresh. Refresh doesn't help. Oh dear. Excellent. I love Twitch TV. Okay. Can we Control Shift R can also help? Clearing cache. Fix your crap, Dan? Yeah. Might just be your microphone. This is likely. You just said excellent 3x. Okay, that doesn't seem. Why is audio strange? Okay. We're trying to determine this right now, Hans CCT. I think it's a Twitch issue, maybe. I will restart the stream. Hold tight. Hold tight. 1 second. If I do this really quick. BRB.